Do you feel held back by your past when it comes to creating your vision? If so, this tapping is for you. Welcome back to another Just Tap session. I'm your guide, Jess West. Today, we're going to tap to release the doubts and release the fear in recreating the past in our future and really step into faith in our future vision and step into that deep self-trust. So together, let's begin now. I invite you to take a deep belly breath in and you can feel your belly expand here. And on your exhale, bring your awareness to your heart center and take a moment to tune in to the intensity of that fear, the fear of recreating past results into your future. And if you had to rate that intensity on a scale from 0 to 10, 0 being you don't have that fear at all. You have complete and total faith in your ability to create your dream vision in your future. And 10 being you feel so caught up by fear that you can barely move. You feel totally paralyzed about taking any action out of fear that you're just going to recreate the same results time and time again. And once you have that number on the scale, we're going to start tapping on the side of our hand with our affirmation statements. As we go through this, remember to continue to breathe deeply. Even though my past perceived failures have me feeling stuck, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I fear recreating the same past results, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I find it hard to trust myself again, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Moving to the top of the head where we are really going to feel this fear, feel this doubt so that we can release it. I've been carrying memories that make me doubt myself. Eyebrow point. These past failures try to hold me back. Side of the eye. I can feel how they pull on my confidence. Under the eye. Part of me fears that things will turn out the same way they always did. Under the nose. This fear has made me second guess my power. The chin. It's hard to trust myself when my past feels louder than this present moment. Collarbone. I've been trying to protect myself by expecting disappointment. Under the arm. But this protection is keeping me from my full expression. And the wrist. And I am ready to release what is no longer serving me in this moment. And moving back to the top of the head to welcome in that faith and self-trust. This present moment is new and full of possibility. Eyebrow point. Past failures have no authority on who I'm becoming. Side of the eye. I'm choosing to ground myself in self-trust. Under the eye. Faith and fear both ask me to believe in something I can't see. So I'm choosing faith. Under the nose. I'm choosing faith because it expands me. The chin. I'm choosing faith because it strengthens my courage. Collarbone. I'm choosing faith because it aligns me to my vision. Under the arm. I trust that my vision chose me for a reason. And the wrist. It is safe for me to rise. It is safe for me to succeed. And I am open to receive. And when you're ready, you can release, take a deep breath in. And on your exhale, bring your awareness back to your heart center and back to the scale that you set at the beginning of this meditation. And where does the fear of recreating past results fall now on that scale? Hopefully it falls closer to zero, closer to the point where you feel total faith for this new moment, totally deepened, grounded into your self-trust, knowing that you can create the results that you want, that your past holds no more power on you than the power that you give it. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you know of someone who can benefit from this tapping, then please share it with them. Have a fantastic day, and until next time, be empowered.